G'day guys, Greg here. Now it's food review time, and today, well, I'm back at KFC. They've got an app-only special that, well, when I saw it, I had to pick myself up off the floor and rush straight to KFC to come and get it. So let's go in, grab one, and you wait till you see what you're getting. You're going to need a police escort because, well, that's how good it is. Let's go get it. Alright, well, here's today's special, $6.95 from KFC this cost. Let me show you what we get. Da, 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 da. That's right. Original recipe chicken. 6 pieces of heaven. Whoa, mate, have a look at it. Are you jealous? I bet you are. And take a look at the 6 pieces I got today. Well, it's like, I don't know what piece that is, but mate, it's always meaty, usually a bit dry, but tasting really good. I got 2 of those. I got 2 of this piece here. I'm not too sure what that is, the rib cage or something. I got a leg, and oh no, I might have got 3 pieces of that. Oh, who cares? Have a look at that. 6 pieces of original recipe KFC. I'm almost in tears. Tears of joy, that is. Oh my God. Just take a look at that. Oh my God. I'm speechless. And I'm going to be even more speechless when I start shoving some of these pieces down my gob. Oh yeah. Right. Where do I start? I might start with this big lumpy piece. Don't know how they cut the chicken, but however they cut it, they're doing a mighty fine job of it. And the coating on this piece just looks amazing. No wonder I had to wait 10 minutes today. The drive-through is just like chock-a-block. There's people everywhere. This KFC must be turning over $1 million a day, I reckon. Oh, mate. I wish I had a KFC franchise. I might have to be on an intravenous drip lying in a hospital bed while I'm running it because my arteries would have to keep getting cleansed from all the cholesterol, but it'd be worth it. All right, let's go. Oh. 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 Mmm. Oh. Oh. Oh, that was so good. Mmm. There's so much chicken there too. Mmm. Mmm. Whoop, got a bone. Oh. Now the only problem with these breast pieces is they can get a little dry, but luckily KFC gets your saliva glands going so much, mate. The Bureau of Meteorology will probably be issuing a flood alert for the inside of your car and for the inside of your undies. Oh, oh. There it goes. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, mate. What's this piece? Now, I'm never that sure what piece this is, but the thing I always love about it, besides this big piece of bony stuff, is that, well, on the back you've just got tons and tons of KFC seasoning there, and oh my God, Looks like I've got to go to Kmart and pick up another 3-pack of undies. Oh. Oh my lord. Make that a 5-pack. Oh mate. Now the beauty about this is that generally you don't eat all 6 at once. Said no one ever. So you actually get to enjoy the KFC over several meals. It could be, I could have 2 today, 2 tomorrow and 2 for the next day. Or I could have 2 now and 4 for breakfast. Either way, it's totally up to you to decide what you're going to do with all your KFC. But I think I've had enough of it now to know what score it's getting. Out of 10. Well, value-wise, 6 pieces of KFC chicken. I could have got hot and spicy or the zinger or whatever ones. Who wants that? I went the original recipe, of course. I mean, I'm only human. But for $6.95, that means it's like $1.17 per piece. Maybe we need to send KFC in to try and regain world peace at $1.17 a piece. Flavour-wise, I mean, come on, folks, just take a look at it. Oh my goodness gracious me. It's a 6-pack of undies worth of meal right there. I got 6 decent big pieces of chicken with lots of coating on them. Oh my goodness gracious me, how good's life? And it's just yet another reason why you'd get the KFC app. I don't know why anyone wouldn't have it. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for this app special from KFC, well, you know this is always going to get a 10 out of 10. Well, no, I wasted some KFC. That's all right, the mouse will get that. But what a great meal. Oh, I tell you what, $6.95, $7 for 6 pieces. You better download the app. Quick, smart. I don't know how long there's left on this, so hurry up and get it. Oh, mate, quick, hurry. Stop watching the video right now. Whip down a KFC. Hurry, please. For your own sake. And you too might be shedding a tear of joy. I know your cardiologist will. Oh, he'll be saying, yes, please eat more of that stuff. You're sending my kids through private school and college. Anyway, there you go. There's a very good special. 10 out of 10, mate. You can't beat that one. Whip on down to KFC and grab one. And if you can't, well, move somewhere where you can. Anyway, that's all today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat some KFC. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger